Welcome to my video. Hope everyone is good. Today's recipe is red sauce pasta. 2 medium onions. Sauté it, then add 1 kilogram boneless chicken. Sauté it until chicken turns into white. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Half teaspoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon salt. Chili sauce 2 tablespoon. Soy sauce 2 tablespoon. Mix it well. Paste of 5 medium tomatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of pasta sauce. Add 2 finely chopped capsicum. 1 cup of cabbage. Half cup of sweet corns. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. Cover it for 10 minutes. Mix it while sauce is ready. Serve on the pasta. If you like today's recipe, please comment, "I love pasta." Subscribe, share, and like this recipe with friends. You can serve like this. You can also mix it well and serve it. Hope you like today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more recipes.